Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Thank you so much for being watching me. So today's video is about a new ESL company owned by VIP Kid, that is SayABC. So we are going to have a short overview and job description. We also gonna mention the requirements and the payment and all the regarded ESL company things, like if you wanna join it or if you wanna book a class from there. This video is obviously for you. Keep you watching. SayABC, they are owned by VIP Kid and have more flexible hiring policy when it comes to nationality. SayABC ESL teacher job description is providing international learning experience for 5 to 12-year-old children in China. The format is 1 to 4 classes, teach 4 students at once through the video platform, and the lesson plan is provided for you. Let's talk about the requirement. There are some basic requirements like other ESL companies, you have to be native level of English, holding a bachelor degree or above, and hold a teaching certificate like TOEFL, state teaching license, or education related degree. And you have also an optional choice that would be preferred by the company is to hold 1 year teaching experience. And for the teach requirement, a computer with audio and video capability, high-speed internet with 8-red connection. And also you are going to go through a test there on the platform. So let's talk about the payment. Earn up to $19. $15 is a base and $4 is a bonus per lesson based on attendance and productivity per 40-minute class. So the basement pay is between $13 to $15 per 40 minutes, and you have extra $4 per class based on your attendance records. So overall range between $13 the minimum and $19 as a maximum payment. For the income with SayABC, 90% of the students are there. For the teachers, they teach 4 classes per day and earning an income of 94 USD per day. Now let's talk about the SayABC hiring process. So there are so many steps that you will go through if you are willing to teach with this platform. You will have to interview yourself with them and takes place on the teaching platform. So it is an online basis. The interview will include a short demo to showcase your teaching abilities. I think all the platforms are taking demo or mock classes. Some of them they are taking one, and most of them they are requiring the teachers for 2 mock classes. The material are available in the platform to you before the interview, and this is a very short demo where you will teach your recruiter. And when you pass the interview, you will receive, as I already explained, if you will pass the interview, you will receive an email explaining the next 2 steps. And one will be a self-guided orientation that gives you an opportunity to understand how they want their material taught. And this will be take the time because they are short videos that are followed by short quizzes. The second step is an evaluation class of 40 minutes with students between 1 to 4 students. The material are available 24 hours before the class for you to review. And I think this thing is quite good and a good advantage for all the new teachers that the material are already available for them. And at the end, you will receive an email with that they like and they didn't like about your class. As I already said, that if you don't pass, don't worry, you will be able to pick another evaluation class on the website, and you can do it right away or wait as long as you need. After a successful evaluation class, you will provide your bank information, additional forms, and choose your class slot time. Although there is no minimum hours, they do recommend that you choose home room slots, and the homeroom classes are on 2 days, take scheduling priority. I think that's all about this video. I am going to make a video about the SayABC, the same platform. You can also go and see it. It's a very interesting video. It's about how to get hired and how are the process to get hired in SayABC platform. Stay with me.